Hello YouTube, this is JW Solo USA, and this is work employee appreciation day at my job. And you can see what I'm eating right here. It's a lot of I got a bun, I got onions and tomato, I got sauerkraut, and I have a corn on the cob with butter and chips, and I have lettuce. Then I don't eat meat, so vegetarian hamburger, hamburger. So it's made with beans and other cool stuff. So they make sure they cater for me. I'm loading up stuff, and I got all these nice looking onions. So I was trying to film this with one hand. Then I have pickles, you know. Yeah, I took a bite of it. Then I have a tropical drink right there. I forgot the name. So it's really cool, you know. Some companies or some jobs really still appreciating their workers, employees, and they give them bonuses and something like that. So I just want to show how thankful and grateful my company, uh, my employer is. And look at that. I have a smooth, nice, all filled with minerals, vitamins. I got the beans on that thing. It looks like a meat, but it's not meat. To give me the protein. You know, we got carbs, carbohydrate right there, and fats to balance my meal. So I have a nice drink, tropical drink. So this is my plate. And you guys are all welcome. Let's have a feast. Yeah, it's a feasting day today, and it's really interesting, and be thankful and grateful for few companies that still does this, or employers that do this for their employees. And it's nice. You know, it doesn't mean you can't afford it, but it's just like, you know, it's a time to sit together and eat together and do things like normal people, because in the outside world we don't even have time for a lot of things. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Tell me what you think.